Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with the Aquabot Viva. So now that you've soaked up the foam brushes so that they're nice and soft, let's get started. So you want to remove the cleaner from the pool, obviously, and let some of the water drain out. Grab the floating cable, bring it on over. So what we're going to do to start is to move the power supply about 12 feet from the edge of the pool, but we're not going to plug it in yet. Next, what we're going to do is find the end of the floating cable, and we're going to plug it into the power supply. Before we actually submerge the cleaner into the water, we want to adjust the handle. So in order for the pool cleaner to cover the maximum amount of area while it's on the wall, you want to have the handle go in a diagonal fashion. Either this way or this way, it doesn't matter. So the default, you'll see that it's across the body in a straight fashion. So to change it, you want to look for these two buttons. So press down one, move it, let it lock, and the same on the other side. After each cleaning cycle, we recommend that you just change the angle of the handle. So let's get this in the pool. Grab the handle, lift it up, start to put it in. And what we're looking for are bubbles to come out of the cleaner. You want to get as many air bubbles out because it could affect the buoyancy and the cleaning performance of your Aquabot. So you can twist and turn it a little, and you think you've got them all out, just let it float to the bottom. While it's doing that, start to insert some of the floating cable. And you don't want to throw all the cable in, you really want to just cover the corners of the pool. Too much might mean that the cable has a possibility of getting tangled, and you don't want that. So that's probably good, it'll untangle itself there. Now we're going to come over and plug the power supply in to the GFCI outlet. So just find your outlet, plug it in. As soon as you plug it in, you're going to notice that the power supply automatically turns on, and you have a set of standard default options. So the first one is if you have a lot of obstacles or like high main drains, you'd want to select this one. If you don't have any obstacles and you got a pretty flat bottom, just go back to the default. If you feel that your cleaner needs to do some more turns than normal, select high. Now you keep it on standard. This pool is actually a freeform pool, so we're going to select the freeform option. And you have your standard programs. You can actually also time it to run every 48 hours, 72 hours, or 96 hours. You have a continuous run option, which is the hourglass, and should the filter bag become full, this light will light up, and that lets you know that it's time to pull the cleaner out, clean the filter bag. So as you can see, the cleaner is actually running. It's doing its cycle very well so far. But at some point, two things are going to happen. One, your cleaning cycle will end on its own. Or two, you're going to have to end the cleaning cycle on your own and remove the cleaner from the pool. Might have inclement weather. You might want to use your pool, etc. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shut off the power supply. On the power supply, just look for the on-off button. Press it, and none of the lights should be lit up anymore. Remove the floating cable so that there's no power going to the cleaner. Now to remove the cleaner, we want to gently pull the floating cable and get the cleaner to the surface. When the cleaner gets to the surface, we're going to grab the handle, lift it out of the pool, and just let some of the water slip back into the pool. Now, since all the debris is inside the filter bag, it's not going to go back into the pool. So once some of the water's out, bring it to the side, and that's it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to clean out the filter bag.